for all the background noises and stuff, it's just I live in a really, really weird home. Benj, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at it. Look at it. Ah! And there's Tiny. And Benji, the jerk face. And I'm gonna look for my other dog. Just, where is it? Where is she? Guys, we already saw you. We don't need to see you again. And Tiny dog. And we call Tiny Scruffy. Why? He's really scruffy. We did not know that. Maggie, there you are. This is Maggie. She's probably really tired. And she's a normal Chihuahua. And this is Benj, obviously. I can tell you that. And he's a Pomeranian Chihuahua. And this is Tiny. I think he's a rat terrier. We have no idea if he really is, but I think he is. Yeah. Now that is really, really short. But see you all in the next vlog. Yes. Goodbye.